In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful and especially merciful, dear students and respected parents, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you will be fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome in today's class 7th, subject History, chapter number 6, topic Towns, Traders and Craftspersons. Question number 7. Why did people from distant lands visit Surat? Answer. Surat in Gujarat was the emporium of western trade during the Mughal period. It was also known as Gate to Mecca because many pilgrim ships set to sail from here. A number of retail and wholesale shops of selling cotton textiles were also here. It was the most important trade center of that time, and that's why people from distant lands used to visit Surat. Question number 8. In what ways was crafts production in cities like Kolkata different from that in cities like Thanjavur? Answer. City of Kolkata was basically developed by Europeans. Demand for goods like textiles was increased, and that is why crafts of spinning, weaving, bleaching, dyeing, etc. were in great demands. Indian textile designs were refined, but in Thanjavur, crafts were very much different from it. Weavers used to produce cloths for flags which were to be used in temple festivals, fine cotton for kings and nobility, and coarse cotton for the mass. It means the craft of Thanjavur was at its backward stage, but craft of Calcutta was at its advanced stage. Question number 9. Compare any one of the cities described in this chapter with a town or a village with which you are familiar. Do you notice any similarities or differences? Answer. We can compare the ancient city of Thanjavur with the modern city of Mumbai, and we can see many similarities in both of them, and these are given below. Similarities. City of Thanjavur and Mumbai both are the centers of a number of activities. Thanjavur was the center of economic activities of Chola dynasty, and same is in the case of Mumbai of India. Difference. If there are certain similarities in both the cities, then certain differences are also there in them. Thanjavur was the capital of Chola kingdom, but Bombay is not the capital of country, it is Delhi. Thanjavur was also known as the temple town because a number of temples were there in Thanjavur, but Mumbai is mainly the hub of economic activities of the country, and very less number of temples are there in it. Question number 10. What were the problems encountered by merchants? Do you think some of these problems persist today? Answer. Merchants in the medieval age had to face a number of problems which are given below. Number 1. Merchants in those days used to pass through many kingdoms and forests. That's why they had to travel caravans instead of individually. It was so because in case of individual journey, they had the danger to be looted by dacoits or someone else. Number second, as they had to go through many kingdoms, that's why they had to pay the taxes to every kingdom, even temples collected taxes collect taxes from the traders. But these days they do not face these problems. Traders used to send their goods by ships or by planes, which take a very less time. There is no need to give taxes to each kingdom because ships and cargo planes go through air or water where no tax is charged. तो प्यारे बच्चों, यहाँ पे मैंने आज जो सवाल आपको समझाए पढ़े, मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये सवाल आप अपनी नोटबुक पर घर में उठाएंगे और इन सवालों को याद भी करेंगे। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।